Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Claudette Thompson has been appointed Director of Public Prosecutions. Ms. Thompson has been acting since the former DPP King's Counsel, Paula Llewellyn, demitted office last month. Her appointment is expected to take effect on Monday. Thompson, who was born on May 27, 1975, was the clerk of the courts in St. Anne in 2004, before becoming Assistant Crown Counsel in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions in 2007. She has a range of experience in the conduct of complex prosecutions in the Parish Court, Supreme Court, and the Court of Appeal. Thompson featured prominently in several high-profile prosecutions, including the anti-gang case, which led to the conviction of the head of one of the One Don faction of the Klansman gang, Andre Bryan. She also featured prominently in the prosecution and conviction of Klansman leader Tesha Miller for accessory after the fact to murder in the killing of former chairman of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, Douglas Chambers. Both Miller and Bryan are serving life sentences. Additionally, she was pivotal in the prosecution and conviction of Uchen's Wilson gangsters.